guys, it's James Worthington here from My Workwear. As the name suggests, we supply workwear, uniforms, PPE and teamwear. A great example of the teamwear that we do is, for example, this polo shirt and this cap that we've done. I'll just give you a quick twirl, should I say. There we go. With all the sponsors on as well, you can see here. We're also experts in embroidery and printed logos. I must apologise, Shane Kelly, I've nicked your lucky number 11s, I hope you don't mind, mate. We've been sponsoring the car for 2 years now. My Workwear, myself included, are great supporters of UK manufacturing, and we're particularly passionate about supporting the next generation. We're involved in a number of STEM schemes, and our sponsorship of the UWR team fits well with other activities in this area. We recently ran an event for Formula 1 in schools for Shropshire. We helped launch it. And due to our fantastic relationship with the UWR team, they came along for the day. School children from across the country were able to see what a real team does from day to day and get their hands on with the car itself, get dirty with the car. It's a fabulous opportunity and hopefully encourages more kids and teenagers to get into engineering. My personal favourite memory of being a UWR sponsor, I think, has got to be attending every race, really. And the reason why that is, I just find getting ready to get to the race and driving to the race really exciting. And then when I'm at the race taking our VIP customers, it's great fun, and it's a really great networking opportunity for our business. We also do a lot of social media anyway as a business, so sponsoring the car has been great for that. It gives us so much content. I suppose if I'm thinking of one really special moment, I guess, and this is the privilege of being a sponsor, it's when obviously we can get access to the paddock and we can get into the pit, and obviously they're at the time that they get the car out to go straight from the pit to go and race. That's pretty exciting because obviously you can just jump up onto the fence and see straight over, and you can literally see the car, but that car in front of you going past you is 150 miles an hour plus, so that's a really cool experience. It's a shame about this year, obviously we're in a lockdown, and hence why I'm doing it yourself sort of video today, but we'll get through this, and next year let's hope 2001 is going to be a great year for them. We look forward to really working with the guys for many years and providing their teamwear, and just hope they go from strength to strength, really. Let's hope that 2021, they win the F3 Cup.